to New York. New York. New York. So last time we did some super dang links with the government, and more importantly, we're going to start a friendly competition between the Rotten and the government. So we're going to start war with these little scumbags. We're going to do war with these scumbagians and destroy their fort. Because I like it. Because, yeah, we're destroying the fort. Actually, we need one person to go and tell them, hey, we're at war with you, so fight back, because we'll kill you. Declare war. Now's the right time. You just rose. You asked the same thing the pig farmers did. And then you see what happened with them? They died. War! I'm actually scared for this war because they're attacking a zombie mob. Ask the government for help. Oh my lord, that zombie, he literally ran through their fort to get to us. Guard. We're doing more important things. We have to kill we're at war with these people and we have to destroy them. Is music on? Wait, start the music. The orange in the sky. Fine. It's better than nothing. Okay. So, destroy. 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 Oh, he's gonna attack first. So that, I think that delays everything. Injury during an attack. Come on. The government, the chosen one, should help us kill these stupid people. Oh, they raided a crossbow. Kill them. That's red. Destroy. Wait, I'm confused. Which building is theirs? But this is okay. Those are our dollars. Do that. Injury, another injury, another injury. Yeah, they're all trying to kill us. But that was ours? This smells good. Help me! You can die. There's government warriors. Government warriors immediately. Anybody in? Oh, come on! All the way from over there. Boom, boom. You're gonna steal a bunch of stuff. Annihilate. Time to die. No, you're gonna attack. Oh, this. I'm trying to pay attention to war, but these guys are destroying. I have to look at the red. I have to see everything. You would be useful, Church of the Chosen Ones, if you would actually help me kill these people, because this looks like it's gonna be a rough fight. A rough fight. A wolf fight. A wolf fight to kill them. Only one person will give orange, yellow. Good. Die. Die. No, we can only do it to when they're at our side, because I want to claim the things without having to. One person has to has to like us for killing these guys. Inaccessible. Danger. Oh, spaghetti or there's a person here. Use them to kill there. That's back to create a death wish. Boom. Come on. Orange, not good enough. At least yellow. There's a lot of people in this group. Yellow. Die. Boom, boom, boom. Attack. Injury during attack. Yada yada. Lag. Okay, they're not even sending out any other soilders. There's like no zombies in that area. Can't convince them it's okay. I literally am taking over land that was previously boom, 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 and boomo, doomo. HQ? More like no Q. Ha! That's just an H. Something to hurt? Ha ha! Uppity. So you're forced food over to Gustav's men and sent them out. I wish I'd been there to watch, but it was a bloodbath. Gustav had tore and shot up the place and tore out before anyone knew what was happening. Us said finish them off. Soon I get the notification that they lost their HQ. Boop, bop, beep. Boom, bom, beam, bom, boop. Saboteur, attack zombies. The last judgment. Oh my gosh. Dude, I freaking hate you, Last Judgment Gang. You're so annoying. All three? Oh my. Ah, let me lag. I don't want to choose land. Need some people to go over and help guard that one church, which is like 14 million people. I hate the Last Judgment Game so dang much. Boop. Attack. 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 I happen you should be going up because we're destroying an enemy. We win. We win. Attack! Boop. Ah! Boop. Bop. Bow. You're just moving my camera all the way, so I have to go back. I have to go all the way down. What a soldier spawn. Kill them. Kill them. Kill him and kill him. Where's the problem? I can survive a day because actually I can just guard. Done. Goodbye, dahlias. Danger to 1%. And goodbye. The dahlias are defeated. They hardly put up a fight in their last spawn. I guess he knew his Orphan just waiting for us to get into it. We've torn down their walls and are hoping the last of them captive. We got a ton of stuff. I'm packing to run spots to walk. Yeah, more genocide. By now, my body's better for dollars. Dead. We took what supplies they had on them. We win. Not you. Former HQ's right here. I'm just gonna reclaim all this land. Boom, boom. And some land. We lost some area too. What have you been going for? Oh man, we can do more. Actually, I would like this area to be closed off from them. Cow clicker. Says fuse kill zombies. Stupid chosen ones, bitch. We should be fine. Where you are, it's so annoying. It's so annoying. Guard. Where? That's really bad. Spend to our 9 breaths. Dug in our heels. Claim. Assembly line. Bro, what's going on? Crossfire. Valentino was out of the fort on a mission when a few goons from the pharmacists showed up. That made them into, I don't know, a bunch of government started shooting at them. Yes! Valentino took for cover as the bullets flew from both sides. Just stay out of it. Uh-oh. I didn't mean to do that. I wanted to stay out of the crossfire. Sorry. Where's the dagger? I did not like the fact you can build. I did not like that. I did not like the fact that that made me choose the option I didn't want to choose. Talk. What do you want? Government needs 10 loads of building materials. New roof on their houses, but I don't think we need that many materials. Well, their building is not bad. Here, 10 materials really hurts me. Here it is. Thank you. We need these quite badly. We should stop when you said that. I have another way to go and trade these for notes. Yay. Okay, so let me leave. How much respect do we have? Oh, we have like 78%. So still in the 70s. Oh my gosh. You're annoying. That's quite annoying. So I'm going to end the episode now. I'm gonna end the episode now because I'm gonna do some stuff on camera because right now at the point of the game we just need to claim a lot of buildings. And yeah, bye.